Hi there, thank you for joining me. Today we are going to learn how to request that your library purchase a book. It's a super easy process and it's really handy if there's a new book out that you desperately want to borrow but the library doesn't have a copy of yet. So let's start with our website. Today I am looking at the website for Rosemary Community Library, but you should start on the website for your own library. All of the Shortgrass member library websites are set up similarly, so you can still follow these instructions. You'll start by clicking on Books and More on the left-hand side of the page. Here, you'll see several different menus. Go to the central section and click where it says Search the Catalog. This will take you to the catalog where all of our books are organized. The first thing you'll need to do is search the catalog to ensure that we don't already have the title you're looking for. We also recommend checking to see if you can request the item through interlibrary loan. Instructions for searching both our catalog and the provincial interlibrary loan are linked in the description. Once you've checked to make sure that the item isn't available, it's time to make your request. Look for the button that says Suggest a Purchase. It should be in the menu bar just under the search box. Click on the link and you'll be redirected to a form. Next, you'll fill out the form. Start by filling in your own details, so your library card number and your email address. The reason we ask for this information is so that we can notify you if the book is purchased. We even place you directly in the holds queue so that you can get the book that much sooner. The next step is providing some details about the book. Please give us the title and the author's name. Make sure that you have the spelling correct and include any subtitles. Other details we will ask about include your preferred format, whether or not you're interested in reading the title as an ebook, if the title is fiction or nonfiction, and who the primary audience is. Next, you'll enter your home library so that we know where to send the request. And finally, we'll ask how you heard about this title. Once all the information is filled out, just hit Submit. Please note that we cannot buy every book suggested. Some older books might not be available for purchase anymore, for instance. There's a link in the form to request an interlibrary loan, which is a good alternative if we can't buy the book that you're looking for. And that's all there is to it. Your request is submitted and your library will notify you if they purchase the book. You'll be able to borrow it and enjoy. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to check out our other video tutorials to learn more about all of our amazing digital resources. And if you have any questions, please contact your library. Thank you, and have a great day.